What are the 10 best ways to rank your solar installation company on page 1 of a search engine? You can now rank on page 1 of a search engine and increase your solar installation business's online visibility. Did you know there is more than one way to rank your solar installation company on page 1 of a search engine? Most business owners know about SEO and maybe PPC ads, but may not be aware of better and less expensive ways to rank on page 1 of the search engines. You can learn today about the many ways and choose the ones best for you. Being seen on page 1 of a search engine is the dream of every company and every business owner. Everyone craves this degree of visibility, and rightly so. Why? For these 3 reasons. The 3 reasons for a solar installation company to be on page 1 of a search engine are: 1. Your business gets better online visibility, since 91% of people are looking online for a business. And that's pretty much everybody, isn't it? Being seen on page 1 of Google and Bing for a solar installation business becomes important, because less than 10% of searchers ever go to page 2. If you are not seen on page 1, your company's visibility just dropped by 90%. You don't really want your solar installation business's visibility to drop by 90%, do you? 2. For bite edge, 68% of the time, online experience begins with a search engine. You want to be where your target audience is, and that is online. 3. Only 0.63% of people ever click on the second page of Google search results, per Backlinko, 2022. That is less than 1%. Being seen on page 1 is what all businesses long for. Page 1 is the most coveted place on earth for any business. It gives phenomenal online presence, bringing with it new jobs and new revenue. So how does a solar installation business owner get onto page 1 of a search engine? There are 10 ways to rank on page 1 of a search engine. Some are faster, some less expensive, and some will knock your socks off. The pros and cons of each of the 10 ways are discussed in these videos. Is your solar installation company hiding where no one can find you? This reminds me of an old joke. If the mafia wanted to hide a body, where would they do it? The answer, on the second page of Google, because nobody ever goes there. Reaching Google's first page is a major accomplishment for any business, with any of its online assets, be it your website, your blog, or your video. We will go through the 10 best ways to achieve this impressive milestone for your solar installation company, and how to be seen on page 1 of a search engine for increased online presence, visibility, and recognition, some of which may be new to you. You will see the full list in the upcoming videos. If you are averse to the idea of losing 99% of potential solar installation jobs, read these articles and follow us to learn more about the secret strategies we discuss with you in these videos. Subscribe to our playlist and connect on LinkedIn for more and better ideas. Share with business owner friends and check sboexpertly.com for more videos on the subject. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar, signing off. Thank you for watching.